Madison Avenue, Southeast Palm Bay. I'm here today to talk on behalf of our city pool and funding and moving forward that we have a proper maintenance plan for funding and maintenance of the pool, because what we're looking at is basically 5 years, maybe longer, of things that should have been done and maintained for many years, now all lumped at one time, and now the public is freaking out because they're seeing such a large number. But if that had been spread out and budgeted out, I mean, pools have things that have to be maintained and replaced over time. And my background is I'm a National Swimming Pool Foundation instructor for the Certified Pool Operator course for 8 years. I have experience in public pool inspections, and I'm also a member of the Florida Swimming Pool Association for the past 8 years. All organizations that support swim lessons and making sure that our children are learning how to swim at a young age. And that pool was the only pool that served our city for swim lessons for our children. They were affordable for our low-income families, which are usually the ones that will not do swim lessons for their children. We will see an increase in drownings if we do not provide swim lessons. I understand it costs a lot of money, but if it's properly budgeted out, we could still have a public pool. I believe a lot of it is somebody did not look at that pool when they took it over from the county and made sure that the county did certain things before you took it on. Because some of it, I look back at I've seen the proposal for repair. The ADA compliance was something that was required in federal rule before you even took the pool over as a city. And that's $30,000 right there that could have been done by the county, because ADA access for disabled people in the public pools, when entry fee is required, has been in there for a while. So I'm just asking that moving forward, if we do repair the pool, which I'm a proponent for opening it, I've had three children, one missed swim lessons this year. He's a 2-year-old. He got it the first year when he was 18 months. I didn't get any this year. My daughter that's sitting with me here, who's gonna be 16, had completed the entire swim lesson program at that pool. I made sure I left work early to do evening lessons with all of my children, and my third child is suffering from that pool not being open. Let's talk about high schools that are now having to go to Melbourne for their swim meets and practice. They were practicing Heritage, and I believe either Bayside swim teams were practicing at that pool. And that's an important part of our public school program as well. Thank you very much.